Are you planning on traveling to Poland or already live in Poland but are struggling with ordering at a restaurant? If so, this video is for you. Keep on watching. Hi, welcome to Languages with Marta. In today's video, I'll show you some really basic, easy phrases that you can use when visiting a restaurant. Alright, so first things first, you come into a restaurant and some restaurants require prior reservation, and so when you come to a restaurant like that, the hostess will probably approach you and ask whether you have a reservation. Dzień dobry, czy ma pan rezerwację? And you could say, tak, mam rezerwację. Or, nie mam rezerwacji. Yes, I do. No, I don't, respectively. You could also add the name to it so that they can check and say, mam rezerwację na nazwisko, and then you give the last name, right? Nazwisko is last name. Another really useful phrase is, czy mogę poprosić o menu? Can I ask for the menu, please? If the service is a little slow, you could say, czy mogę zamówić? Can I order? Once you're ready to order, you could use poproszę or wezmę, and then the thing that you want to order. Just make sure, because it gets quite difficult when it comes to grammar at this point. You need to apply the accusative case to everything that goes after poproszę or wezmę. So that's a bit tricky. Alright, next up, you want to use the restroom and you ask the waiter, the waitress, Gdzie jest toaleta? Where's the bathroom, restroom? And once you're done, you can just ask for the bill. Poproszę rachunek, or czy mogę poprosić rachunek? Or alternatively, you could say, czy mogę zapłacić? Can I pay? Oh, one last thing before I forget. If you have some leftovers from your meal, you could ask the staff, czy można to zapakować? Which more or less means, is it possible to pack it? Alright, that's it for today. That was just a couple of really basic phrases that will help you get by when you're in a restaurant. I hope you liked it and that you learned something. As usual, I highly encourage you to start studying with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!